Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create subtasks for subtasks in ClickUp. This is a powerful feature that allows you to break down your work into even smaller, more manageable pieces, giving you greater control over complex projects and detailed task hierarchies. First, open your browser and navigate to clickup.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're using the correct email and password to access your workspace. After logging in, you'll be directed to your ClickUp dashboard where all your workspaces and tasks are organized. On your panel, locate and click on Spaces. This will display all the available spaces in your workspace. Spaces are essentially the highest level of organization in ClickUp, containing all your folders and lists. From the spaces shown, click on the specific space where your task is located. This could be a project space, a team space, or any custom space you've created for organizing your work. Once you're inside your chosen space, you'll see all the tasks and lists within it. Now, you need to find and click on a task that already has subtasks. This is important because we're specifically adding subtasks to existing subtasks, so you need a task that's already been broken down into smaller components. Click on that task to open it up and view all its details and existing subtasks. Inside the task view, find the subtasks section. This is where all the subtasks for this main task are listed. Now hover your mouse over the subtask that you want to add another subtask to. When you do this, you'll notice some additional options appear. This is ClickUp's way of giving you quick access to actions without cluttering the interface. While hovering over that subtask, you'll see a plus icon appear. Go ahead and click this plus icon. This action allows you to add a subtask to that existing subtask, essentially creating a third level of task hierarchy. This is incredibly useful when you need to break down work into very specific, granular steps. A field will appear where you can enter the details of your new subtask. Type in the name of your subtask, making it as clear and descriptive as possible so you and your team know exactly what needs to be done. Once you've entered the name, click Save. Your new subtask for the subtask has now been created and added to your task hierarchy. And there you have it. You've successfully created a subtask for a subtask in ClickUp, giving you deeper control over your project management and task organization. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.